Hi, I'm Dave from Sicard RV. We're going to take you through the 2021 Jayco Greyhawk 31 FP today. This brand new Greyhawk is on the Ford E450 chassis that comes with the brand new 7.3 liter V8 engine from Ford. This new Greyhawk also comes with the J-Ride Plus system. This system separates Jayco from most of the other motorhome manufacturers because they do things different to the chassis. First of all, they use Hellwig helper springs at the back, which help incredibly with the ride of the motorhome and how stable it is when it's sitting. They use Coney shocks, again, to increase the stability, a computer balanced drive shaft, and rubber isolation mounts, all to make it one of the best rides in the C-Class industry. One of the greatest features about a Jayco Class C is their seamless fiberglass cap. It virtually eliminates any possibility of leaking from the front cap, which is very prominent in most other manufacturers. This beautiful new coach comes with an exterior TV, auto leveling jacks, and a 4,000 watt Onan Cummins generator on board. Inside the 31 FP, we have the all-new 8.95-inch Sony infotainment system. This unit displays all your radio, Apple CarPlay, Android, and also your screens for your side cameras and backup camera. Jayco Class Cs have one of the highest capacity front bunks in the industry at 750 pounds, so you don't have to worry with two adults up front. The Prestige Greyhawk models also have solid surface countertops that are very attractive. Heading to the back of the unit, we have the walk-through bathroom, which takes you right into the queen bed in the bedroom. Also, we have a set of single bunk beds here. This one comes with optional TV sets in the beds for the young people. Back here is the master bedroom with lots of closet and cupboard space and a queen-size bed. Thank you for viewing our tour on the Greyhawk 31 FP. If you would like to book an appointment to come down or have any questions at all, please contact us directly at sales@sicardrv.com.